Hi, welcome all of you to VS Robotronic YouTube channel. This is my first video in English, case I have been doing my previous videos in Sinhala. In this video, I'll introduce Arduino and what is Arduino. So let's get into the video. Here you can see my Arduino board. There are many kinds of Arduino boards like Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Mini, Arduino Pro Mini. Likewise, we can available many boards. This is an Arduino Uno. So now let's see what are these parts in Arduino. First, you can see USB port in here, which we use to upload our program to the Arduino board. We need this wire to upload our program into Arduino board. In one end, you can see some port like this. We can plug it to Arduino like this. In other end, you can see some port like this. We can plug this into our computer USB port. Also, in here you can see our restart button. We can restart our program from press this button. After that, we can see pins like this. Also in this side we can see some pins. There are main three kinds of pins, like digital pins. Here you can see digital pins, which we use as OI pins. That means we can handle outputs and inputs from these digital pins. Here you can see power pins. We can control power from these pins. There are two grounds, two 5-volt pin and one 3.3 volt pin. In here you can see analogs. So, and we can't use analog as outputs, only we can use analog as inputs. There we have 6 analog pins. In here, there we have another port we can use to give 9-volt power from using this kind of jack. So that's all about Arduino board. And also we have two negative or two grounds in here, and we have another ground in here. So totally we have 3 ground pins in our Arduino board. Here we have 3 ICs and 2 crystals. Here we have another 6 pins. We can use these pins to connect some sensors. So that's all about Arduino. So in next video I'll introduce about this is called breadboard. We can make circuits on this, also known as project board. So next video I'm introducing this one. So thanks for watching. Click subscribe button and bell icon so you can get more notification about my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.